Well, with any luck, I think I fixed the garage lights.
Let's do the hack method of doing a thermostat. Loosen your positive battery cable. Yeah, it's the hack method, but still, I'm not trying to mess stuff up. Next, you want to unplug your math, whatever the hell sensor this is. Come out, might break it. Hey, didn't break it, sweet. Loosen this guy up here. Plastic wing nut. Set it down there with all your other bolts that you haven't got around to installing yet. It should just pop right off. There you go. Oh, the PCV valve. Oh no. Would have all popped off. But always that one last thing. It's gonna hold you back. Oh, nice. But he has zip ties. All right. On top of the grill that you've been neglecting to install, this bracket's gotta get out of here. So 10 mil, 10 mil. We'll see if that works. A couple screws later, got it all loosened up and out of the way. Let's tackle this hose. Just gonna pop it off the top of the radiator, pour what's up, crack this open. Got a bunch of paper towels to catch the rest of it. I'm not draining this whole radiator. Screw that. Get your worst bucket. You know, one that's got duct tape on it for keeping a hole plug. Place it underneath anywhere because no matter where you put it, it's gonna miss anyway. We'll try to put it right there. Crack this loose, shove it through there, miss the bucket, and get this thermostat installed. I think I actually hit the bucket. All right, let's get this thermostat out. All right, sweet, we got it. Let's pull this sucker out of here. Examine what's going on with it. Yep, I think it's stuck wide open. Let's take a look at the new one. See? Closed. Stuck wide open. I'll reverse everything we did. Gotta pop this loose to get the air pockets out. I think this is the one I had to hammer on. Yep, it's tight. Still got these. Well, this one has me defeated. I hammered it on like a moron, and now it doesn't want to come off. So, next best option should work. Stuff looks like Shrek Swamp in there. Nice. Start this thing up, let it get warmed up. That's definitely an improvement. This thing was stuck on 100 before I did this. Nice hot heat. Sweet.